Can just $1 really become $100 in only 30 days? Most people think it's impossible, but today we're going to prove it. Meet our little Stickman, holding his only coin, standing at the start of a long path. Every step he takes will represent a tiny win, a small hustle, or a clever trick to grow this coin. Some days he'll win, some days he'll struggle, but every day counts. The journey is just as important as the result. By the end of 30 days, we'll see if this single dollar can really turn into something powerful. And if it does, imagine what you could do starting today. Before we start, every hero needs a plan. Our Stickman draws a simple roadmap on the whiteboard. Step 1, find small ways to earn. Step 2, save every little bit. Step 3, reinvest wisely. Ideas pop up. Sell old stuff, offer microservices, flip cheap items, save coins, or try tiny investments. Each method is like a stepping stone across a river. Some are risky, some are safe, but all can get him closer to the goal. Planning is half the battle. Even a small plan transforms a single dollar into potential growth. Now the real work begins. Day 5, the Stickman sells a few items, earns $5, and adds it to his tiny pile. Day 10, he offers a microservice and now has $15. Day 15, he invests $10 into a mini hustle. Some wins, some fails. Day 20, coins pile up. Stickman jumps with joy. Day 25, setbacks happen. A coin is lost. He recalculates and pushes forward. Every milestone is a story of persistence, learning, and adaptation. The journey is full of emotions, lessons, and fun challenges. By day 30, the Stickman will either reach the goal or have learned a valuable lesson. Day 30 arrives. Our Stickman now stands beside a pile of $100, smiling proudly. The path behind him shows all the effort, failures, and wins. What started as just a single coin became a tangible result through consistent effort and smart moves. This is proof that starting small is not a weakness, it's a strategy. Even a single dollar can grow if you focus, adapt, and never give up. And the best part? The journey built more than money. It built skills, confidence, and a mindset for future growth. This is where small beginnings become big stories. If this Stickman could grow $1 into $100 in 30 days, imagine what you could do starting today. It's not about magic or luck. It's about consistent action, small smart choices, and learning from every step. The journey is your teacher, and even tiny efforts accumulate into real results. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have right now. Comment below what you would do with $1 today. Share your ideas, and remember, every giant leap begins with a single step. Your journey starts the moment you decide to take action.